I have been working in the restaurant since I was 16, and I have been in the restaurant business now for 16 years. One thing I have learned that customers do not just come back for the food, but they come back for the taste. If you have been following me on IG or TikTok or YouTube, I have been doing contents and videos about my restaurant and my shift, and I've been shooting videos how I'm cooking in the restaurants and how I'm serving people, and all my contents have been around the restaurants I've been working from pizza to pasta to classic Portuguese dishes and to French cuisine. So today I've decided to pivot or change my channels to not just as a cook working in the restaurant, but to start my own brand, which is spices. So I am going off from just shooting videos of being in the restaurant as how I'm cooking, the rushes, the stress hours, to I am shooting now videos on how I am going to make my own spices using natural ingredients, and I'm going to use these spices to create my own dish and giving it my own signature taste, which is I'm going to make these spices from natural ingredients and bringing it into my own dishes using my natural spices. So I am going to document everything that I am going to do, from resourcing the ingredients to bringing it up to the plate. So I'm taking you guys step by step how I do the research and how I'm going to make mistakes, because I know it will not be an easy journey. Okay, why have I decided to stop to work in the restaurants now? I'll give you 3 reasons. I am tired. I am tired. I think I did enough. Even though in the 16 years I've learned a lot of things and I've gained a lot of experience, but I think it's time I say it's enough, because I am so tired of working in the restaurants. So I want something exciting. I want to change a bit the environment, something exciting, something to make me think out of the box, to make me feel again alive. So I'm going to give you the second reason. But before I go to the second reason, I want to tell you a bit of a story. So I used to work in the restaurant back home. And then after that, all my life, like from 16 years, I worked like in my birth country, Namibia. I was working in restaurants like pizza with pastas. And then I moved to seafood restaurant where I learned a lot of ingredients and a lot about seafood. And then after that, I immigrated to Canada here, where I moved here with my husband. And then I worked for an Italian restaurant. So let me tell you something I've learned in an Italian restaurant is that the customers were always coming back because of the way the owner seasoned her wings. So how I captured that moment, I was like, interesting. Whenever, and she was specific in seasoning her wings herself. She didn't allow anyone to season it. If she allowed, it's because she trusts you and she have showed you how to follow her process of seasoning those wings. So what she did is that every time she seasoned those wings will be selling like crazy. Now, customers were not just coming back because it's chicken wings. They were coming back because of her seasoning and the way she made her wings taste. The customers were following the taste and her secret seasoning that she was using in her wings. So right from when I started observing, I was like, voila, this is an idea. That's what encouraged me also to stop working in the kitchen and decided to do my own brand, because customers don't just follow food, but they follow the taste of what you are giving and the seasoning. So guys, I had enough. Of restaurants, too much pressures. And now my second reason is that I'm a mom. I'm married with my little kids that I have, my boy that is 5 years and my 3-year-old and my 9-year-old and a teenager as well. So when I come from work and being in the restaurant, I am so exhausted. I don't even want to hear their voices. All I want to do is I just want to sleep, because it's the pressure that comes with working in the restaurants. For those who have worked in the restaurants, they will have a clue of what I'm saying. It's not just happy days, sad days, but The pressure in the restaurant is real. When you come home, you disconnect yourself from the world, and your whole world is just in being in the restaurant. So guys, I had enough of restaurants now. Like really, really, I had enough. So my last reason is why I want to stop working in the restaurant is I want to start my brand, which is making spices. I want to bring a smile to a person when you eat that meal. Because what disappoints you when you're going into the restaurant is not the food, it's the taste. When the food is not well seasoned and you can't feel those seafood, or you can't feel the pasta that you are eating, or you can't feel the meat because it's not well seasoned. So I've decided it's enough with the restaurants. I'm going my way. I'm creating my brand, which is the spices and sauces to make you guys fall in love with my food that I'm going to create. I'll be sourcing my natural ingredients from Africa and Italy. So I have a background of Africa and I have a background of working in the Italian restaurant. So I'll be sourcing all my natural ingredients from Africa and Italy. And I will be documenting everything and taking you guys step by step through this whole process. So hold me tight on this promise I'm giving you guys to my followers and to my new followers. Is that all my ingredients I'm going to use will be natural ingredients that I'm going to source from Africa and Italy. And I have both grounds on Africa and Italy since I've been working in these restaurants and gaining experience regarding that. So I'm going to document everything that I'm going to do on research, how I'm going to source for my natural ingredients from those countries, Italy and Africa. And then I am going to document step by step my failures and my wins. I know it won't be an easy thing to do. It's not, how do I say it? It's not a one-day win. It's a long journey that I'm going to build with my spice and my sauces, but I'm not going to give up. I am going to this dream that I have. So guys, my dream, hey, my dream, I'm imagining my dream. I have a lot of dreams. Okay, my dream is so big, but I'll be documenting my failures and my wins with you all. My dream is to supply my spices to USA Costco, USA Canada, and I want to see myself in those ranks of Costco on the spice ranks where my brand is there. And then I also want to see my spices on Amazon as the leader selling on Amazon, leading the spice business on Amazon and online platform. That is my main dream. And also to a financial freedom, have a comfortable life, travel the world, and see people enjoy good seasoned food through me, through my brand, and put a smile to people as they just have that one bite, and they can feel how well food is seasoned and how well food tastes. I want to give that to people, where people will be like, this is the spice, this is the taste. So guys, I'm inviting you all, join me with this dream, join me with this vision I have. I can do it. And with you guys' help as my followers. I'm done doing the restaurants video. I'm now doing my brand, my video. I'm giving you the taste of my seasoning through you, through me. So guys, so come with me in the next video as I'll show you how I'm going to source for natural ingredients from Africa. See you in the next video. Let's start the new chapter. This is day one for my big dream.